seed it. How was it?
It was a great turnout. You know, the Coastal Bend Bays Foundation puts it on, and they were saying that the turnout was more than expected, so that's a good thing.
We love to see that. And the weather not looking like that today?
Well, we planned it to where the weather would be good Saturday with all these events happening, and now Sunday, you know, we're going to have a storm chance here. It's quiet right now. LexCam is showing the cloudy skies over the Harbor Bridge. It's 74 degrees out, very humid, and we've got a steady wind right off the water at 16 miles per hour. It's a little breezier near the coast. Sustained winds up near 20 miles per hour from Rockport through Flower Bluff, a little lighter as you get farther inland, and temperatures in the 70s for the most part. Only a few locations in the upper 60s, George West and Beeville this morning. Radar is somewhat quiet here. We do have some light patchy rain inland. This is kind of the precursor, the appetizer for what's to come. We're watching very closely what's happening and developing along a front to the north and west of us. You see this shower and storm activity. As this moves to the south and east, we're likely going to see that become and morph into more of a line of storms as it moves through the coastal bend. And within this activity, we're going to see some strong to severe storms possibly moving through. We're under this slight risk for strong to severe storms. What that means is scattered activity in terms of the strong stuff, and with that, these are the threats: 75-mile-per-hour winds, 1 to 2 inch hail, and there is a low-end isolated tornado threat. Although I will say that I think the two severe threats we've got to be most paying attention to are the wind, the straight line winds, and the hail. So this is going to progress through the coastal bend later this morning and into the early afternoon, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. for locations to the northern half of the coastal bend, and then it'll be late morning, early afternoon for locations to the south. The rainfall with this could be on the order of 1 to 3 inches depending on your location throughout the coastal bend. There could be even a little bit more in some of the heavier activity. So there will be some possibility for localized flooding as this stuff moves through. Before it arrives, we'll see what's happening right now. That light patchy rain that'll be drifting in from the south. But as we progress through the morning, this is 11 o'clock in the morning, we are going to see that activity drift in, and as it moves through, that's when we'll see these chances for the strong to severe storms. It'll be in Corpus Christi. It looks like close to the noontime hour, give or take. That'll be the time you want to be really weather aware, have a way to get watches and warnings if they're out there. This will move through by about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Behind it, it's going to be cooler. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s this afternoon and continue to fall into the lower 60s and upper 50s by Monday morning. Monday looks a lot quieter, cloudy with just an isolated shower, and seasonally cool. We'll stay in the low 70s here tomorrow afternoon for high temperatures. So into Monday, we'll have this stationary front to our south. That'll work back to the north as a warm front. Just isolated activity possible Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But come Thursday, we're going to get another front through here, and that'll offer us another chance for showers and thunderstorms. So after today, widespread activity. Sunday, we drop the rain chances, isolated Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then on Thursday with that second front coming through here, we'll have to raise the chance for rain into Thursday. Today, severe thunderstorm watch is posted until 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so be aware that there could be some strong thunderstorms rolling through here. Behind that activity, we'll be in the 60s this afternoon with overcast skies, and the winds, they're going to turn to the northeast at 12 to 22 miles per hour. Overnight, it'll be cooler, 60 degrees, the forecast low, mostly cloudy, northeast wind 10 to 20 miles per hour. And after today, we settle down a bit. Just isolated rain chances Monday, Tuesday, maybe into Wednesday. I do think we get a little uptick in the rain chance on Thursday morning with the arrival of that next cold front. Won't be a strong one. Temperatures stay in the low 80s, but it does give us what looks to be a sunny delight next Friday. That's always nice when they happen on Fridays. And that would be ahead of another cold front, Lexus. And this is a trio of late April fronts that we're going to get. And you know what they say, April showers bring
May flowers.
That's right.
April
Yes.
is the best month, but there